We were traveling down south towards the Gold District. After treks, tea fields, temples, and trains, we were ready to see the ocean again and to rewind. To just lie about and end our trip on the beaches of Sri Lanka. After the standard adrenaline rush and workout of a Sri Lankan bus ride, we made it. And it beat our expectations. This is the Mirissa story. We got down to Mirissa Beach. It was beautiful. We started to think we landed in Jamaica, but remembered it was Bob Marley's birthday. After many lions and 2-for-1 cocktails, we decided Mirissa was already delivering. We had the usual special Sri Lankan curry and headed out to do some skanking. We made some friends and heard about the secret beach. So feeling like Leo, we headed off there the next day. Secret Beach was great. Ainsley had a new model to film, and after the amazing sunset, we headed back to get ready for the next day. It is 6 a.m., we're in Mirissa, and we're gonna go whale watching. We took an early morning boat ride to the deep waters where it's best to spot whales. We had never seen a whale before, so we were excited, so much so I could barely finish my 3-course meal. We were sad to leave Mirissa as we had a whale of a time, but we were ready for the next destination.